Good morning, I'm meteorologist Chita. The latest 9 a.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center now has Tropical Depression 18, max sustained winds at 35 miles per hour, moving in a northerly direction around 9 miles per hour. We are expecting this to become Tropical Storm Rafael this afternoon, then holding its strength as a tropical storm through early Wednesday, potentially making landfall midday Wednesday on the western side of Cuba as a Category 1 hurricane. That would be Hurricane Rafael again midweek, holding its strength potentially as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico and then potentially weakening. After land interaction with Cuba, we will know a lot more and have a lot better guidance of exactly where Rafael is expected to travel. Again, this cone is from the National Hurricane Center. So right now it's going to have a little bit of a squeeze play between a cold front that's going to be approaching southeast Texas on Friday and a big area of high pressure sitting in the southeast region. So again, those upper level winds probably going to steer this, I think, potentially Louisiana or the east side of the Gulf Coast. Now, we're going to monitor this very carefully for you. Don't forget, we are still in hurricane season through November 30th, but even looking statistically at the past, even once we get into December, it's not out of the question, especially when the water temperatures are so warm and the wind shear stays low, that we could still have tropical development. And that's what we're tracking right now. Sea surface temperatures are still above average pretty much all across the Gulf, and with low wind shear, it makes it easy for these storms to survive if they do develop. So we've already had Patty in the open waters of the Atlantic, then Rafael, Sarah, Tony will be the next name on the list.